Guys, welcome back to my channel. So, on my last video, my friend told me that nakakabitin daw kasi na-mute daw. So, na-mute siya kasi naka-copyright ako dahil nag-play ako ng music while I was talking. So, actually, ang hindi ko nabanggit dun is, yung na-muted na sinabi ko dun is about yung pag lumipat kayo ng employers, magiging or pwede kayong mag-demand ng 800 to 900 to 1,000 actually. Kasi during the interview, the employer is going to ask you what is your salary expectation. So, pwede kayong magsabi ng 800 or 900 or 1,000. Pero, alam niyo naman na pag nag-demand din kayo ng higher salary, higher responsibility doon. So, yun lang naman yung hindi ko nabanggit doon. So, ayun lang. Thank you. Bye!